Navigating the world of project management software can sometimes feel like learning a new language. Terms like collaborator and regular user pop up, and understanding their distinctions is crucial for effectively managing your team and projects within platforms like Wrike. As a project management expert, I'm here to demystify these roles and illuminate how they impact your workflow, ensuring clarity for everyone from seasoned professionals to those just beginning their project management journey. Think of your Wrike workspace as a bustling construction site. You have the core team, the architects, engineers, and project managers, who are deeply involved in every blueprint and brick laid. Then you have essential partners, the electricians, plumbers, and inspectors, who contribute significantly but might not need access to every single detail of the entire project. In Wrike, regular users are like your core team, while collaborators are your valuable partners. Let's delve deeper into the specific differences. Regular users, the core engine of your projects. Regular users are the backbone of your project management within Wrike. They possess the full spectrum of capabilities, enabling them to actively participate in all aspects of project execution. Here's a breakdown of their key functionalities. Full access and control. Regular users have unrestricted access to the workspaces, folders, and projects they are invited to. They can view, create, edit, and delete tasks, subtasks, projects, and folders, depending on their access permissions within specific spaces. Task management powerhouse. They can assign tasks to team members, set due dates, define priorities, track progress, and update task statuses. They are the individuals primarily responsible for moving work forward. Active participation in discussions. Regular users can actively engage in discussions within tasks and projects, adding comments, attaching files, and keeping communication centralized. This fosters seamless information flow and reduces the need for scattered emails. Workflow management. They can participate in and often manage workflows, moving tasks through different stages, ensuring adherence to established processes. Reporting and analytics. Regular users can typically access and generate reports, providing valuable insights into project progress, team performance, and potential roadblocks. This data-driven approach empowers informed decision-making. Resource management. Depending on their permissions and Wrike plan, regular users can be involved in resource allocation and workload management, ensuring tasks are assigned effectively and team members aren't overburdened. Integration capabilities. They can often utilize integrations with other tools, such as calendars, email platforms, and file-sharing services, streamlining workflows and connecting Wrike with their broader digital ecosystem. Customization and configuration. Administrators or regular users with sufficient permissions can customize aspects of the workspace, such as creating custom fields, workflows, and request forms, tailoring Wrike to their specific needs. In essence, regular users are the active drivers of your projects within Wrike. They are the ones who actively plan, execute, and monitor the work, making full use of the platform's features to achieve project goals. Collaborators, essential contributors, focused access. Collaborators, on the other hand, are external or internal stakeholders who need to contribute to specific aspects of a project but don't require the full suite of functionalities that regular users possess. They are granted limited access, focusing on the information and actions relevant to their specific contributions. Think of them as invited guests who play a vital role but don't need access to the entire house. Here's what collaborators can typically do. Limited visibility. Collaborators generally have restricted access to specific tasks, folders, or projects they are explicitly invited to. They won't see the entire workspace or projects irrelevant to their involvement. Focused task interaction. They can often view tasks assigned to them, update their status, and add comments. Their interaction is primarily centered around the specific pieces of work they are responsible for or need to provide input on. Participation in discussions. Like regular users, collaborators can participate in discussions within the tasks or projects they have access to, providing valuable feedback and insights. File sharing. They can typically attach and view files relevant to their assigned tasks or projects, facilitating the sharing of necessary information. Form submission. Collaborators can often submit requests or information through designated forms, streamlining the intake of external input. Review and approval. In some workflows, collaborators might be involved in reviewing and approving specific deliverables. The key differences summarized. To make the distinction crystal clear, let's highlight the core differences. Feature, regular user, collaborator, access level, full access to invited workspaces/projects, limited access to specific tasks/folders/projects, task management, create, assign, edit, delete tasks, view assigned tasks, update status, add comments, project management, create, edit, delete projects and folders, typically view-only access to projects and folders. Discussions. Full participation can initiate discussions. Participation within their accessible items. Reporting. Can typically access and generate reports. Limited or no access to reporting features. Workflow. Active participation and management. May participate in specific workflow stages. Resource management. Involved in allocation and workload management. Typically not involved in resource management. Customization. Can often customize workspace elements. Generally cannot customize workspace elements. Export to sheets. Why the distinction matters for effective project management. Understanding the difference between regular users and collaborators is paramount for several reasons. Cost efficiency. Collaborator licenses in Wrike and many other project management tools are often less expensive than regular user licenses. By assigning the appropriate roles, you can optimize your subscription costs. Enhance security and confidentiality. Limiting access for external stakeholders or team members who only need to contribute to specific areas ensures that sensitive project information remains protected. Improved clarity and focus. By providing collaborators with access only to what they need, you reduce information overload and help them focus on their specific responsibilities. Streamlined communication. Targeted access ensures that discussions and notifications are relevant to the individuals involved, reducing noise and improving communication efficiency. Better workflow control. Defining clear roles and responsibilities through user types helps maintain control over project workflows and ensures that only authorized personnel can make critical changes.